Right now, as the FIFA World Cup 2026 is happening live in the United States, 48 nations are competing for a prize pool of $871 million. The champion walks away with $50 million. Every team that even shows up wins at least $12.5 million. And here's what nobody is talking about: the financial strategy that every elite athlete's advisor uses to manage that kind of cash flow. The way they handle large sums moving in and out is the exact same mathematical principle that I'm about to show you eliminates $38,000 in debt in under 5 years. Let's get into it. Let's say you have $30,000 in debt, $20,000 on a credit card and 22%, and $18,000 on a car loan at 7.5%. And that's a pretty normal picture for most American households right now. And you're doing the right thing. You're not ignoring it. You are paying $500 a month on that credit card and $400 a month on the car loan, $900 a month going out the door toward debt. Listen, you are being responsible. Here's what your bank does not put on the statement in big, bold letters. That first $500 payment you make to the credit card, $366.67 of it goes straight to interest. Only $133 touches your actual balance. 73% of your payment is interest. You sent $500 and reduced your debt by $133. Now, multiply that across 6 years, because that's how long this takes the conventional way. 73 months, 6.1 years. And when it's finally done, you'll have paid $19,579 in interest on top of your original $38,000. You paid $57,579 to eliminate $38,000 in debt. The bank made $19,500 off of you. That's not a loan, that's a subscription. And most people just keep paying it because nobody showed them another effective, more efficient way. Now, here's where the World Cup comes in, and I'm not going to oversell this analogy, all right? I'm going to show you the actual math underneath it. When a World Cup team qualifies, FIFA guarantees every nation a minimum of $12.5 million, and that's just for qualifying. The champion gets $50 million, and that money does not go directly to the players. It goes to the National Federation first. The Federation then manages cash flow, distributes player bonuses, covers operational costs, and deploys the capital in sequence, in order. The strategy elite financial advisors use with that kind of cash is called cash flow optimization. Large sums come in, those large sums immediately reduce high-cost liabilities first. The cash does not sit in an account earning 2% while debt charges 22%. It moves. It hits the highest cost balance first. Then the freed up cash flow gets redeployed. You do not have $50 million, I get that. But the mathematical principle is identical at $38,000. It's called velocity banking. And it is not a trick. It's not a secret. It's arithmetic. Let me show you exactly how it works on your numbers. And here's what you do differently, okay? Let's say you have a HELOC, right? A home equity line of credit. And if you don't have a HELOC, you can use any line of credit. The national average right now is around, 8.5%. It is. You have $25,000 available. And here's the move that changes everything. At month 0, before you make a single conventional payment, you draw $20,000 from your HELOC and you pay off the entire credit card balance. Gone. The 22% debt is eliminated on day one. Now, you owe $20,000 on a HELOC at 8.5% and $18,000 on the car loan. But here's what is different about a HELOC. It charges daily simple interest, which means every single dollar you put into it reduces your balance and reduces the interest you are charged the same day it lands. So you do something the conventional method never lets you do. You sweep your entire paycheck, let's say $5,000, directly into the HELOC. Your balance drops by $5,000 that day. Interest is now calculated on a lower balance. Then over the course of the month, you pull your expenses back out as you need them. $3,800, let's say. And that $400 car payment, it still goes out. What stays on the HELOC at the end of every month? $1,200, your natural surplus. But the way daily simple interest works means the interest you are being charged every day of that month is being calculated on a lower average balance. You're not parking money in a checking account earning nothing while the HELOC charges interest. The money is working the moment it arrives. Okay, now here's what the math shows. Month one, your HELOC balance drops from $20,000 to $18,940. Month 6, you're down to $13,500. Month 12, $6,776. Month 18, the HELOC is paid off. It's gone. Then your full surplus goes to accelerate the loan, the car loan, which is already down to $12,500 by month 18 because you kept that $400 payment going the whole time. Now we're at month 54. 54 months, 4.5 years, everything is gone. Total interest paid, $4,539. Now, I want you to do something. Compare that to the conventional path. 73 months, $19,579 in interest. You saved $15,039 and you got out 19 months faster. That is not a rounding error. That is a car payment. Now, I'm going to do something a lot of channels skip. I am going to tell you what this strategy requires and who it does not work for, because the math is real and the savings are real. And that means the requirements are real too. First, you need a line of credit, right? Whether it's a HELOC, a B HELOC, a personal line of credit, right? If you have trouble with that, you can talk to us. That means you need, the HELOC means you need home equity and you need to qualify. If you don't own a home or you do not have enough equity to draw from, the chunking mechanism does not work the same way, all right? And of course, we do have other videos on alternatives, so check those out. Second, you need a real monthly surplus. In this scenario, that's $1,200. The velocity banking strategy accelerates debt payoff because your surplus is always reducing your highest cost balance instead of sitting in a checking account. If your income and expenses are equal, no surplus, the math compresses. Third, this requires discipline. Your paycheck sweeps into the HELOC. Your spending comes out of the HELOC. You do not treat the available HELOC limit as spending money. This is a debt elimination tool, not a credit line. All right? So if those three things are in place for you, the math I just showed you is now your math. And here's the piece that separates the people who get out of debt from the people who get out of debt and build wealth. Because those are two different destinations and they require two different tracks running simultaneously. All right? The velocity banking strategy eliminates your debt in 4.5 years. That's verified. But while that's happening, while the HELOC is dropping and the car loan is shrinking, there is a second engine you can be building at the same time. Remember, that engine is called the income snowball. Instead of waiting until the debt is gone to think about passive income, you start building the income side now. Even small positions, even modest monthly contributions into income producing assets, they compound over the same 4.5 years that Velocity Banking is compressing your debt. By the time the debt is gone, the passive income is already producing. Folks, that's called the dual strategy. That means eliminate what you owe while building what you own. Not one then the other, both at the same time. And that is what the math actually supports. The FIFA World Cup is happening right now. $50 million going to the team that wins. $12.5 million guaranteed to every team that qualifies. And the principle behind how that money gets deployed, large sums hitting high cost liabilities first, cash flow working every single day instead of sitting idle, that principle works at $38,000 the same way it works at 50 million. The numbers do not lie. 73 months and $19,500 in interest, the conventional way. 54 months and $4,500 in interest, the Velocity Banking way. $15,039 back in your pocket. 19 months back in your life. If you want to run your exact numbers, your specific debt amount, your HELOC rate, your monthly income, go ahead and join us in the Velocity Banking Execution Lab. And if you want to know more about the Money Max account and how all of this is possible, passive income generator, go ahead and click on that one link that's in the description below. And if this video helped you see the strategy clearly, share it. One person in your life right now is sitting on $38,000 in debt and paying the bank $19,000 in interest they do not have to pay. Send it to them. And if you see a video on this screen, that's a sign that you need to watch it. God bless you, and we'll see you in another video.